Hello everyone! Have you ever thought of visualizing your goals? Have you ever seen a clear vision that is invisible to the people around you? Did you ever make a board and list out your 1-year goals on it? If you are wondering what we are trying to convey, then it indicates that you may not have used a vision board yet. If you think you don't need one, then let's discuss more and then we will leave upon to you to decide. In this video, we will look at the following: the definition, how does vision board work, why do you need a vision board? A vision board is a robust visualization tool that helps you paint a clear picture of your ambitions. While you do it, it's a law of attraction that magnetizes you towards opportunities needed to transform your dreams into reality. However, the law of attraction only works in your favor when you don't sit idle and wait. Instead, stand and prepare yourself for those opportunities. Let's move on to find out how vision board works. It functions in 4 steps. Number 1. First, you need to choose your wants and goals specifically. Suppose you have dreamt of having a luxurious car. It will help you to be clear about the brand, color, and model. Think of a timeline to have it, such as after 3 years or 5 years. Then choose the respective images to paste on your vision board. Number 2. Then visualize what you choose. Let's say you want to become an astronaut. Learning about the journey of becoming one would help you in having a clear vision. Like the subjects you need to choose in school, top colleges that offer this course, training that you need to go through, missions that you want to work on, etc. In the 3rd step, make consistent efforts towards achieving your goals. Let's say you have a thought of becoming an astronaut. Then do everything you can do to achieve it. Learn skills such as swimming, skydiving. Make physics and math your favorite subjects, even though you don't like them. Try to find a new method to solve an equation. Be curious to learn. Prepare yourself mentally and physically for this process. Number 4. Follow the SMART rule while creating a vision board. Be specific. Be clear in what to achieve. For example, an astronaut. Keep it measurable, qualitative and quantitative. For example, I will join ISRO in the next 10 years for Jupiter mission. It's an example to refer. Make it actionable. Set objectives in this process. For example, I will achieve high grades in 12th grade. I will take admission in the top-notch college. Find responsible people to support you, such as teachers or parents. Keep it time-bound. Short-term goals, long-term or mid-term. When you get ready with your vision board, always remain honest with the process to achieve a great outcome. You know, the time management also plays an integral role during the implementation of your efforts that you put for achieving success. So, click on the link in the description box to learn about it. Subscribe to Skillioma for more such videos. www.skillioma.com. Skillioma, beyond curriculum.